right, so I have an update for you on the 1990 Miami Vice Testarossa. We fully pulled the engine out of this car. We also found that we had a timing issue on bank 2. After replacing the fuel pressure regulator and also the fuel heads for the fuel injectors, now our fuel pressure and everything was perfect. Bank 1 was running very rough and it was barely running. And after we checked compression and leak down test, which came out perfect, we noticed that the timing was off. So technically the person that did the timing on this car, the belts on this car previously, did not do a good job, because we also had a water pump leak too. We saw that they put new seals on the car and it was puking out everywhere. So I'm glad we dropped the motor. We did the belts again and redid everything on the car again, retimed it. We got fuel pressure, as you can see. Our gauge is right here. And I'll start the car, you guys can hear it, because I want to hear it. It sounds nice. Fuel pressure at 80, 85. Flat 12 sounds nice. Yep, there it is. It's almost good to go.